Hi, Mr. Burrow. I don't have any food. Hi. How you doing? We're in Beatty. You're a Beatty Burrow. You got some friends, huh? I don't have any food. Hey guys, I'm sorry. I don't have any food. Yeah, I don't have anything. But we're in Beatty, Nevada. And these guys are really happy. Look at all these faces. Yeah. Yeah. The Burrows. Hi, Burrows. Hi. How you guys doing? Hi. I know you guys are hungry. I don't have anything. Are you saying hello? I'm sorry, man. I don't have anything. Yeah. Hi. All right.